Welcome to the shrine.
I find that I'm anxious for the future, fatigued about the past, but excited about the present. The world spins fast under my feet, and I hope I can run fast enough to keep up. Everything that changes is a new thing to learn, and the burden of education is weightier for a mind ossified by time. My hope is that with enough flexibility, I can keep my mind limber enough to adapt to the world incoming with the rising tide, and be comfortable leaving my old world as it recedes behind me. Not every death is physical. Death of the spirit is equally real. Adapt or die.
A religious experience like the one you just witnessed is too precious to be stored in something as fragile and imprecise as the human mind. But this token can be brought with you wherever you dare to venture out in the world. After all, are you really human if you can't reflect on your own past? And so later Jared tapped the coin to his phone and realized that it contained his experiences.